Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by deciding the exact feature you want and why it matters. This focuses the AI. Next, state the language and framework plus versions so suggestions match your environment. Provide small representative inputs and desired outputs. Examples reduce ambiguity. Once done, prepare API credentials and a minimal test harness to run snippets immediately. Make sure to include success criteria so the AI can optimize for measurable results. Now you're ready to generate the first You should ask the AI for one function at a time and explain edge cases. This keeps outputs verifiable. Run the snippet immediately, then copy any error messages and failing test output back into the next prompt. That feedback loop is how you converge. Once a function works, request refactoring, add types, docstrings, and small unit tests to lock behavior. Make sure to repeat, test, fix, refactor. This step-by-step approach turns rough code into reliable components you can integrate. Now combine the tested components into the larger codebase and run integration tests. If performance matters, measure and profile hotspots. Document any required configuration, environment variables, and assumptions so future changes are safe. If you hit a blocker, create a minimal reproducible example that isolates the failure, capture full error logs, and present that to the AI for focused debugging. One key troubleshooting tip: always reduce the problem until the failing case is as small as possible before asking for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.